Are you looking for a bed that is both stylish and functional? Check out our top 5 picks for the best Murphy beds. From sleek and modern designs to versatile options that can be used in any room, we have something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? So let's get started with the list. List number: Best Star Queen Murphy Bed. The Best Star Queen Murphy Bed is the perfect bedroom furniture piece. The Queen Murphy Bed is a wall bed with a folding design that can easily be pulled up onto the wall at any height. Use this item to create more space in your living room or bedroom. Add a desk and it becomes a guest room. It is also perfect for small apartment or studio apartments. The unique dual piston mechanism allows the bed to fold up and down smoothly in seconds without heavy lifting. Easily converted from a bed to a desk with its pivoting supports. This Murphy bed can be used as a guest or home office. The Murphy bed allows for a sleeping option that can be used every night, and it's the ideal space-saving furniture for small apartments or studios. The Euro Slat mattress support system increases the sleeper's comfort and accommodates most standard queen-size mattresses. List number: Best Star Nebula 65W Queen Murphy Bed in White. The Nebula 65W Queen Murphy Bed is the perfect solution for small spaces and multifunctional rooms. When folded, it measures 64.6 inches W times 89.1 inches H times 20 inches D and extends to 92.1 inches from the wall. Our Nebula bed is an ideal solution for small spaces and multifunctional rooms. This folding Murphy bed requires a mattress foundation, which can be purchased separately. The bed is made with heavy-gauge steel, which supports up to 300 pounds. Easy to fold and store in seconds. This cabinet is sturdy enough to handle heavy use while allowing a smooth operation. This bed is ideal for any setting with its Euroslat mattress foundation that increases sleepers' comfort and can accommodate most standard queen mattresses 8 foot 12 inches thick, 60 to 90 pounds, 80 inches times 60 inches. Thanks to the dual piston system, the bed folds up and down safely in seconds without heavy lifting. List number: Best Star Poor Queen Murphy Bed. The Queen Murphy Bed from Best Star is a modern and stylish option for your home. The Murphy bed can be slept on every night and works perfectly in a small apartment or studio. The wall bed is easy to use. Simply pull on the handles and flip the support leg down onto the floor. The design of the set is simple, with a metal body bed and industrial black and white color scheme, but still features a modern feel. The folding mechanism makes this Murphy bed easy to store when not in use, which makes it the perfect choice for tight spaces. With its sleek, modern look, you'll be able to create the look you want in any room of your house. Give your bedroom a stylish, versatile new look with this Queen Murphy bed. When planning your space, allow for a clearance of 30 to 36 inches around the open bed to make getting in and out of bed easier. With shaker-inspired trim and metal handles, this bed will complement any decor. The dual piston system allows you to fold the wall bed up and down smoothly and quickly. List more: Best Star Versatile Queen Murphy Bed with Sofa. This versatile Murphy bed with sofa combination is the perfect solution for space saving. Our Queen Murphy bed is a perfect solution for space-saving living. The sofa is pre-assembled, except for the legs, and can be found at various locations around your home. Alternatively, you may choose a chrome or plastic base that is ready to ship. This bed is designed to hold most standard mattresses and will support up to 90 pounds. Hot water base can be installed as both a sofa and a bed. Uses a Euroslat mattress support system that offers maximum comfort and is made of quality laminated particle board compliant with TSCA Title VI. A hardwood frame supports the Euroslat suspension system that helps keep the sleeper secure while accommodating many different mattress types. The seat cushions are medically tested with 7.9-inch thicknesses and 8 inches of filling to provide cushions that spread the weight evenly across their surface. List number: AFI Southampton Murphy Bed Chest with Charging Station. The Aficon Murphy Bed Chest is a space-efficient bedside cabinet that offers exceptional storage and organizational capabilities. The cabinet base feature open shelving with interior hooks for clothes, scarves, and more. It also features a large underbed drawer for extra storage or to keep personal items safe while larger items are stored on the shelf above. The mattress comes with 5 inches of highly resilient support foam and 1 inch of cool soft memory foam in order to maximize comfort and minimize pressure points on your back or body. The mattress is also reinforced with extra-wide open coils, allowing you to sleep soundly through the night while still remaining energized throughout the day. It also features highly durable 9-foot cord, grounded UL-listed 16-gauge wiring, 2 built-in 5V 2.1 amp USB charging ports,